Hey guys, it's MissCarly and I'm super excited for this video as it is another fabulous human-haired wig. And what's like perfect timing with this wig video is that the one I did before of the human-haired wig, this one right here, which is still fabulous and I love it. So this one was human-haired wig, 22 inches, under $200. Perfect, I love it. So this one is if you're ready for the next step up of the human-haired wig without breaking the bank. So this one, with a coupon code, you probably get around $300. So that's like an extra $100 versus that one that I did. All right, so let's just get into why this one is the step up and a little bit more fabulous, if you will. So just off the bat, both that wig and this wig right here is 150% density. Like, no joke, a good amount of hair. Like, this looks really great. I'm super pumped to try it. I also really like, you know, these kind of like honey blonde highlights all throughout. Should look really nice, and it's kind of like my natural color, which should be fun. So the main difference why this wig is the step up version is this gorgeous 13x4 lace front right here. She has two combs right here, and then she has one comb in the back. For her stretch, she actually has really nice stretch. She would definitely be, you know, a large head friendly wig if that's what you needed, which is really great. And you can kind of already tell with how great plucking this is just from this inside. Like, looks really great. It also says on the website that the knots are bleached and that is easily seen. It looks really great. And of course, the lace is a soft lace. Right? All right, so then when you get your wig, it actually comes in a nice box, which is super great. If you like to store your wigs like that, I'm actually storing mine on heads. I'll show a picture. But it actually comes with a little bag, which is a little surprise, which I love. So it came with two wig caps, great. It came with one of these fun headbands, and this is something that is growing on me. I'm not normally a headband person, but I'm gonna start getting into it. And then it also came with a pair of eyelashes. I mean, who doesn't love a pair of eyelashes? And this is actually something I've never seen before. It actually came with some nails. I love my nails. Obviously, I miss having my nails since my surgery, but I can't wait to get them back on. And then it does come with an extra comb, which is nice. All right, so I'm not gonna put a wig cap on. Also, what I have fired up is my flat iron and my curling wand, because we're gonna have to, you know, correct her a little bit as she's been sitting in a box for a long time. All right, so let's whip this girl on. And off the bat, she feels so good. She is so light in texture. It's not heavy. I'm excited to straighten this girl out. 24 inches, probably not. I'd say this is probably around 22 then, which is actually what the size that I thought I got, but maybe when I straighten it, it'll be slightly longer. But let's take a look at this hairline really quickly. So again, this is kind of notched out for the ear, which is what I love. This looks pretty good. Of course, you can definitely pluck it out and add your baby hairs as needed, but this fits. Something just fell in my house. I have no idea, but we'll find out when I walk out there. Let's actually just cut off this lace so we can get started with her. Okay, looking amazing. So now I'm just gonna take my regular brush and brush her out. Now I'm gonna take my flat iron and iron her out. So here she is, lightly straightened out. Love it. I'm definitely gonna take my curling wand to it. So maybe off the bat, of course, very common for any kind of human-haired wig, or really just wigs in general. Sometimes they're a little bumpy up here or just a little voluminous. If you want to, of course, flatten it out, you just use a handkerchief, apply a little bit of heat, like a hair dryer, 10 minutes or so, and then it'll be a lot more flat. Also really common, I forgot what it's called, when there are some like little, like couple inch pieces of hair sticking up. Trim those. Sometimes I just pull them out, but you can trim them, or of course use a little bit of hairspray to flatten it out, because it's you know, it's human hair. You can do whatever you want to it. Now, because she is a 13x4, let's see the kind of looks that she will give. I'm just going to take a comb right here and put her on one side. that was a little bit of a struggle because how she was made, and this happens, you just have to train it to go the other way with heat, and for this video, I'm not gonna train it because it was made like this, so it's kind of hard to flip it. It doesn't want to flip like this, as you can see, but it would just take some heat manipulation for that. But for flipping it around, let's just flip the cap around, which is what I usually do anyway. So this is right here on the right side. And of course it doesn't look that different, that it's a little bit more on one side. So that's a doable look. I love this. Of course you can always put it behind your ear. I love that. Let's put it on this side. Yeah, so my usual parting, definitely love this. And here she is, a couple of beach waves that I quickly added using my favorite bedhead curling one right here, like Amazon, $15. You cannot lose with that one. But really loving this wig. Again, like I mentioned, it is like the step-up version because of the 13x4 free parting. Of course, just needs a little manipulation with heat to get it to kind of move around freely. Being a 13x4, 24 inches, 150% density for around $300. Like, you cannot beat that at all. So definitely check out, you know, this wig, and they have a bunch of other wigs. What I like about their website is they actually have a lot of like customer reviews, and I did save this photo, I forgot to mention it earlier, of this wig actually. Like, this girl rocked it out. Like, I love this look too. Like, I'm gonna practice doing this look for myself. I truly love sharing these really affordable human-haired wigs because sometimes when you've seen human-haired wigs, they are so expensive that it just seems like you could never afford a true human-haired wig, which is not the case. So this one is one of those wigs, just like the other one from Amazon. So definitely check them out. I want to know if you have this wig or if you have another wig from this company. I would love to hear your thoughts and see you in your fabulous wigs. So reach out to me on Instagram. It's such a great way for you to send me photos of you and your fabulous wigs and living your best life ever. I love it. So I want to thank you all for watching, and never forget, life is short, wear a wig, have fun, and just live your best life ever every single day. So I want to thank you, and we will see you soon. Bye.